And if you're new here, welcome to my channel. If y'all oldie but still goodie, welcome back. It's your girl Everything Key, aka Kiana. I'm coming to you with the unboxing. Y'all already know what time it is. It is for my CURLBOX for April 2020. And when I say this mug is full to capacity, it is full, like straight popping up out and through the creases of the box. So let's just get into this unboxing. And for y'all who don't know what CURLBOX is, like, where y'all been? Like, for real, we need to talk. But anyway, CURLBOX is a monthly subscription. It's $20 a month with $5 shipping, so that's $25. It comes with 5 to 7, sometimes 10. Look, I ain't gonna even cap. Products, hair products in here for you to enjoy. Sometimes they have accessories in here. They have a lot of boxes that have a complete line of products. That's why I love them so much. It's not ever like super random, so that's awesome. So this month, when you first open the box, it looks like this. They always give you a CURLBOX little card that has all the information in about the box and products and things like that. So this is the month's box. It just says CURLBOX April 2020. Love her hair. I love the accessories. It's laid, slayed, and put to the side. Just really cute with the highlights and everything. So that is really awesome. Then when you open it up, it has the products in here for you. It has some cards with some coupons. Get $2 off. They always give you this Hey Curl Friends little card. Just saying, hey, thank you for your services. You know what I'm saying? Thank you for your products. Then it has some Dove information in here as well. More Dove information. I guess these are the products that's going to be in the box. And then it just has the remaining parts of the card. So let's just get into the things that are in the box. The first thing we have is the new Swab Professionals with natural shea butter and pure coconut oil. This is a nourishing and strengthening leave-in conditioner, deep treatment for nourishing curls. This has no parabens, dyes, moisture rich and color safe. It's 13.5 fluid ounces. This is humongous. Now I'm going to be giving this away, and the only reason I'm giving this away is because I already have one of these. I actually purchased a lot of Swab products, so this was one of them that I purchased. So it doesn't make sense to have all these products. I only got one head, y'all. So I'm going to go ahead and give this away. But it really works well, and it smells really good. I don't know what it smells like. It just smells kind of good. I know I'm smelling some honey for sure. It's like strong honey. I don't know if that's the coconut oil. But this is how it looks. It's not as runny, but it is a little runny. So I'm going to just put this aside to put in a giveaway when I reach 1,500 subscribers. So yeah. The next thing I have is this Swab Professionals with natural shea butter and pure coconut oil. It looks like this. This product is fire. Like, I purchased this product when, you know, just to buy it, to test the products out. I use this on my daughter's hair. Her hair is really coarse and really coiled. It's just really thick. When I say this helped, like, the tangling process, it was just awesome. So yeah, I definitely need to try this out for sure. The next thing I have, which I've never had before or tried, is the natural shea butter and pure coconut oil Define and Shine Serum Gel. It locks in moisture for touchable curls. That's my baby, y'all. It's no parabens, no dye, and it's color safe for natural hair. It's 4.75 fluid ounces. It looks like this. So I've never tried this product, but this will be a good product to try if you want to use it for a slick back, just to give that additional shine. When you're taking out your twist, to give that additional shine. So this is a really good product, and I can't wait to use it. So the next thing I have is new to me. This is a Restyling Milk. It reshapes, rehydrates between washes. This is the Dove Care Between Washes. 6.8 fluid ounces. It looks like this. I've never used any Dove products in my hair. It smells really rich. I'm just getting a rich smell. I don't really know what it smells like, but this is the product. And I'm definitely going to try this. It says, for days when washing is not part of the plan, but beautiful hair is. So I guess when you don't want to wash your hair, just and do you some twists or something like that, it'll be cool. So the last product we have in here is a rehydrating mist. Redefines, rehydrates between washes. This is the same thing. For days when washing is not part of the plan, but beautiful hair is, it rehydrates your hair. It's like a mist. just like a you know what I'm saying, like a leave-in or something like that. So I could put this on here just to give my curls some So I mean, it's like a leave-in, I guess. I don't know, but that's what we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. So overall, this box is okay. This is not like one of my favorite boxes. I'm usually like so hyped and so excited, but I have tried some of these products, so maybe that's why I'm not as hyped. But it's my box and it's still worth it to receive these products. I'm super excited, but again, I am going to be giving this one away. So yeah, that's my unboxing for April 2020 for CURLBOX. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm going to put the CURLBOX link down below. Every month they do open their list up to you all to sign up if you would like to start receiving boxes. It's getting pretty easier, but when I was trying to get a box, it was difficult, but it's getting pretty easy. So I would definitely jump on board if you're a product junkie like myself. But yes, that's everything that I have. So I did have a contest for those who entered for reaching 1,000 subscribers. Yay, girl, yay. So I'm going to go ahead and announce the winners, and I'm just going to show you the boxes that I have to send you for the prizes. So I have the names of everybody that entered into the giveaway on my video. I'll put the video down below, even though it's closed, but I'll put it down below. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 people. So 3 of you are going to win these boxes that I filled up with just products. So I'm going to go ahead and pull the first name. Okay, so the first winner is going to be Jackie Naturals. So Jackie Naturals won a box. So I'm just going to give her the first box that I pulled. Okay, so I have the first box. So this is the first box, and I filled it with stuff. So it's just a lot of different stuff in here. So there's actually a wig in here. I know that she got a wig last time, so there is another wig in here. There are nails in here. There is a comb in here, glasses, little makeup, fingernail polishes, some shampoo, conditioner, just different stuff in here for her to enjoy. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap this back up, and I'm going to send this out to Jackie Naturals. And I have your address already. Hey, girl, hey. So I'm just going to go ahead and get this in the mail for you. So the second person, I'm going to volume up again. So the second person is going to be this person right here. So the second person is Sandra Letty 54. So you won the second box of prizes. And I'm going to put your names on the screen. So you won this box right here. So when I open this box up, this is the items that it has in there. It has a palette in here. Has a palette, some lotion, shampoos, some hand creams, some sprays, some polishes, just a whole bunch of goodies for you. Stop. A whole bunch of goodies for you. So I'm going to send that out to you. I think I have your address as well. So that's the second person. Okay, so the third person is going to win this box right here that's full of products. So I open it up, and it's just full of a lot of products. It has palettes in here, glasses, lotions, nails, all sorts of things in here. So the person that's going to win that, we have these names left. So let me just go ahead and pick. So the person that's going to win this box is Serenity Love. So you are the third winner, Miss Serenity Love. So I'm going to go ahead and send you this box right here with the products in it. So just for some little extra, I was looking through my product stash, and these Miele Pure Simple Natural Pomegranate and Honey products, I don't like them. And so I'm just going to give another person some giveaway prizes. So another one of you lucky people, one of my KeyBees or KeyDogs, will be able to win these prizes. This is some Twisting Souffle, and they're filled to the top. Here it is right here. I tried them and they just did not work for my hair. I have some curly cluster right here. It smells really good. It's still full. I also have this leave-in conditioner. Now this is not full, but it's still plenty in here if you want to go ahead and do a hairstyle. So those three, and plus I just have 4 little pillow packs right here for you all to enjoy that I'm not going to use on my hair. So that's going to be another prize. So I'm just going to pick another name. So this is just a little extra to show you all that I appreciate you. I love you. I appreciate you for watching my videos. I appreciate you for continuing to come back. So let's just see who won. Pick one, boo. Pick one. Which one? Pick one of these. I'm going to let my 2-year-old pick one. Here, pick one. Which one you want? Right here. So this person that won is Love Yourself. So Love Yourself. Hey, girl, hey. You go ahead and win these products right here. And you're going to win these 4 packets. So I really do love you all. I really do appreciate you all for just being with me through everything. Even when I'm tired, if my videos are a little off, you continue to watch, you continue to comment, and I just love you so, so much. And I could never show you how much I appreciate you for even rolling with me, everything key, and being a KeyDog or a KeyBee. But yes, I'm going to go ahead and you can just DM me on Instagram your address if I don't have it, so I can go ahead and get the prizes out to you. If you can try to do it within a couple of days, it'll be fine. There's no rush, because who knows when I'm gonna get to the post office. But yes, I can just use your addresses and I'll go ahead and get these prizes out to you. And again, thank you for just being so awesome and so amazing through everything that I bring and enjoying in my content. Until next time, all my KeyBees and KeyDogs out there. Peace.